Welcome to Not 100% Accurate, episode 17, part 2 of how I built a plasma torch. Not 100% accurate, of course. And this is the first one. You see in my other first videos. If you remember again, episode 16, you'll see this one. What I use a little apple juice, some applesauce came in that thing, and I used the lid. A lot of people use it. I used a Nerf Dark, the front of it for a button. Final faction piece right here, final faction piece right there, and that part right here is from final faction. And then I forget what I got the front part from, but that's what I made. This is the second one. I was showing you how, before I cut it all up. Then I cut it, and then I added this greebly. I forget what that's from, but I liked it. I put in there another different Nerf Dark tip, another greebly from somewhere. I can't remember where this is from. A piece of a computer chip from somewhere, or a phone maybe. It was from something that broke. I always save my broken stuff. And the thing I showed you in the previous video, that's the front of it, and that's the plasma torches. They're done. So I decided to go to the dollar store again and find a different water gun. This is a different water gun that I found. And I said, what can I make out of this? So off camera, took my Dremel, cut here and cut that off. If you're under 18, get a parent, make sure you get a parent to help you. If you decide to do these, help you do it. Then I added some greeblies. I should have showed you the greeblies, but this is what I made. I painted it, primed it of course first, and then I added this lid. That's from chicken broth or beef broth. I forget where I got this from, but I always use this greebly too in my greeblies. And that's another little thing that came off something. I forget where I got that too. So I painted it, and that's the trigger. So what this supposed to be, this is my detonator, and you can see the button right here. It makes noise. And remember, it's not 100% accurate, but that's my name of my show. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and leave some comments and what I can do better. This is J13, and I'm out. Have a good one.